Once again, mula pa rin sa probinsya ng Cagayan Valley, kaibigan mo, ka-ismail mo, Greggy Palcon. Kanta tayo. Jak ninam naman, amasair ko tarik na pagkawanin na. Wenjak ing gagara
I started to cry, which started a whole world laughing. If I'd only say that the joke was on me. I look at the skies, running my hands over my eyes, and I fell out of bed, hurting my head from the things that I said, till I finally died, which started the whole world living. Oh, if I'd only sing that the joke was on me. Isen, nasamit nga isen, tinangabukay to naken. Nga at rayo tapintas mo, sapay taak luhe, biyag ko. These words has lost its glory. Let's start a brand new story now, my love. There'll be no other time, and I can show you how my love. Talk in everlasting words and dedicate them all to me. And I will give you all my life. I'm here if you should call to me. You think that I don't even mean a single word I say. It's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away.
In my brain, I see your face again. I know, my friend of mine, you ain't got to be so blind. And I am blind, so very blind.
I'm a woman, can't you see what I am? I live and I breathe for you. But what good does it do if I ain't good to you? Ain't good to you.
Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you.
You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody,
To love somebody the
love you. You don't know what it's like, baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love